Okay, so don't mind the fish tank noise in the background, but this bucket, don't waste your money. It came in this box, which basically to me it tells it was already pre-opened. Then I had to go get the stick for my mop, from my broom, just so I could, give me a sec, sorry, not easy doing this with one hand. Because this little piece, here's the original one, I screw it in. Now, you gotta let go of the handle. So basically you do this, just to drain the water out of it. I did this, and then this little piece here literally came loose from the stick. So basically the stick was not holding up at all. So to me that's garbage. Yeah, don't mind the puppy. And then the other thing I noticed is when I looked inside the box, there's those little plastic thingy / rubber, those little tiny thing. There was a loose one in the box because it fell out. So yeah, waste of money.
Use a little bit of water. I'm gonna wring it. So I give it like 20 spins. 20. Then I'll take this and we'll look at the amount of water that's gonna fall. What's the purpose? What is the purpose? What? I need my mop dry spin. What's the purpose? Might as well use this from the dollar.